Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create a WhatsApp backup on the CMF by Nothing Phone 2 Pro. Alright, so let's begin. Let's open up our WhatsApp first, and once we are here we need to click on those three dots on the top right corner, and from here we can get access to the settings. Now find the chats, simply click on that. Now click on the chat backup. And now we have a few things that I want to show you and tell you about. So let's begin with the Google account. In here, currently we have selected the account that we are currently logged in on our device in the settings. And on that account, the backup will be made. If you want to add another one, simply click on right here. Now I need to confirm using my pattern. Okay, and now in this bar simply type your another mail, and if you want you can also create a new account by clicking right in here. And remember that you need to be logged into the same Google account if you want to restore your backup in the future. So it is crucial. Simply don't forget that mail, because on that account the backup will be stored in the Google one, of course, in the cloud. So remember about it. Below we have the automatic backups. Defaultly this option will be set on off. I selected on the weekly, but you can also select the daily, monthly, or only when I tap backup. I suggest the weekly mode. It means that basically the backup will be automatically made, and I don't need to do this manually each week. So it saves a lot of time, and there's always a possibility that I would forget normally to create a backup, but I have selected that option, so the backup will be made automatically each week. Below we have option to include the videos. You can enable it right in here. Below you can see that 1 megabyte of the videos will be backuped. And on the bottom of the screen we have end-to-end encrypted backup. If you choose to turn it on, in here basically you create a unique password that you will need to type in the future to restore your chats. So if you choose to create that password, please don't forget it, otherwise you won't be able to restore your backup. Okay, and once everything is selected right in here, simply click on that green button, backup. Alright, now the process has started. As you can see, it's not gonna take much time in my case because I don't have that many messages. And now above the backup button we can see the hour on which the last backup was made, and also the size of it, so 1.2 megabytes. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.